Hello, class 12 students.
Today you are going to learn another formula. If n is equal to minus 1. See, if it is 1 by x dx. So what happens here? If you take it to the numerator, it is x power minus 1. So if it is x power minus 1, when n is minus 1, you cannot use this formula. 1 by x dx, the formula is log of x. Always put modulus sign for this because log of a negative number doesn't exist. Always log exists for positive number. So log of modulus of x plus c. This is the formula we are going to use today. So 1 by x minus a. If it is 1 by x minus a, it will be log of modulus of x minus a plus c. So this formula we are going to use today. Exercise 2.2. Next one, root 2x minus 1 by root 2x the whole square. Integrate this. So first we have to expand this. A minus b the whole square. So using a minus b, expand it. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here root 2x minus 1 by 2 root 2x the whole square, that is equal to a is root 2x. So root 2x the whole square minus 2 into a is root 2x, b is 1 by root 2x plus 1 by root 2x. So 1 root 2x the whole square. So we got the expansion of root 2x minus 1 by 2 root x the whole square. So let us write that here. Integral 2x. Yeah, I am writing the expansion here. Minus 2 plus 1 by 2x dx. Integrate here. What is the integration of 2x? What is the integration of 2x? You can split this now. You can split like this. Minus 2 dx plus 1 by 2 x dx. So what is the integration of 2x? See, what is the integration of x power n? X power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c when n is not equal to minus 1. So use that here. 2 is a constant, take it out. Integrate x now. Power is 1 here. N is 1. So what happens here? X power 2 by 2. 2 into x power 1 will become 2 because the formula is n plus 1. Minus, what is the integration of a constant? Become kx. So 2x minus 2x. That c you can put later after all the integrations. Plus 1 by 2 is a constant. Now you have 1 by x. What is integration of 1 by x? Just now I told you 1 by x integration is log x. 1 by x is log x. So 1 by 2 log of x. Put always a modulus sign here plus c. So that's the answer. X square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 log x plus c. Integrate x power 4 minus x square plus 2 by x minus 1. We have to simplify this. There is no product rule, no quotient rule in integration. So you have to simplify this. Either you expand it or use the algebraic formula and simplify, or you divide. You can divide. Hope you all know the division. X power 4 minus x square plus 2. You can divide and find, or there's another way of doing this sum. See, you can group these two. I'm going to use the identity here. I'm not going to divide here because I know this is very easy when I use the identity. So, I am going to write this x power 4. First, I am going to take x square outside. From these two terms, take out x square outside into x square minus 1. So, I am able to factorize this. That's why I am doing like this. Otherwise, you have to divide. So, x square into x square minus 1 plus 2 divided by x minus 1. So, that is equal to x square. Now, this x square minus 1, x square minus 1 is nothing but x square minus 1 square. You know, is an identity, x minus 1 into x plus 1. So, we will write this x square minus 1 as x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus 2 divided, everything is divided by x minus 1. So, this is equal to, divide both the terms. There are two terms here, this and this. So, divide both by x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 by x minus 1. So, we can cancel this x minus 1 and x minus 1. So, we have simplified this. So, this question we have brought it to this step. Now, you can integrate. So, integrate x square into x plus 1 dx plus 2 by x minus 1 dx. Now, this you can multiply. So, first you multiply, then only you should integrate. There is no product rule. So, this will become x cube plus x square dx plus 2 to the constant, you can always take it out, into dx. Now, to tell me what is integration of x cube plus x square? You know x power n integration. Use this formula now. X power 4 by 4 plus x to the power 2 will become 3. It's very simple. X power 3 by 3. What happens here? Become log 1 by x minus a. This is log of x minus a. Here, this is log of x minus 1 plus c. This cube by x plus 2. Integrate x cube by x plus 2. So, here we can't factorize it and there is no quotient rule. As I told you, to integrate, there is no quotient rule and this x cube cannot be simplified. So, only method we can use here is you have to just divide. So, normal division, you have learned your algebraic division. So, x cube you have divided by x plus 2. So, you have to divide this and find the quotient and the remainder. So, x cube divide the first term, x cube divide by x. X cube by x will give you x square. So, write x square here. Now, multiply x square into x square, x cube plus 2x square. This is minus 2x square. Now, once again divide minus 2x square by x. That is minus 2x. Now, multiply. So, it will become minus 2x square plus into minus minus 4x. Now, change the sign. This will become plus. This will become plus 4x. Still you can divide because you have the same degree here. So, 4x by x will give you 4. Multiply. So, it will become 4x plus 8. So, this is minus. So, now we can stop because we got a constant and its degree is less than this. This is 1 here and this is 0. So, how do you write now? You have to write the quotient plus the remainder by the divisor. So, what is the quotient here? X square minus 2x plus 4 plus what is the remainder? Minus 8 by x plus 2. Quotient plus remainder by the divisor. Now, you can integrate. At this stage, you have to integrate. So, what is x square integration? It will become x power 3 by 3. right? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 into, what is x power 1 integration? See, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Remember that integration of x power n dx is this. So you just put n is 1 here. So it will become x power 2 by 2 plus 4. Whenever there is a constant, you have to put that x. 4x, integration of a constant is k is kx, sorry, 4x. Minus 8 is a constant, 1 by x plus 2. Integration of 1 by x plus 2 is log. 1 by x plus 2 is log. So this will become log x plus 2. Log x plus 2. So just write that here, minus 2 log x plus 2 plus c. Put the modulus sign. So you can cancel this 2 and 2. So you get x cube by 3 minus x square plus 4x minus 8 log x plus 2. Fourth one is x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 11 by x plus 5. So integrate this. Integrate x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 11 divided by x plus 5 into dx. There is no quotient rule in integration. You can't do any quotient. If you can simplify the numerator using algebraic identities, you can simplify it, or you have to just divide. So I am going to divide here, x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 11 divided by x plus 5. So when you divide, what do you get? The first term is x cube. Divide the first term by the first term. So you will get x cube divided by x will get you x square here. Now multiply x minus 2x square minus 7x. Now divide the first term by the first term. So minus 2x square by x. Minus 2x square by x will give you minus 2x. Now multiply. After dividing this, multiply. So you will get here minus 2x square minus 10x. Now change the sign, plus, this will become plus. So you will get now 3x plus 11. Again you have to divide. 3x by x will give you 3. Multiply now. So 3x plus 15. Change the sign. This will become minus 4. Now we can stop because we got a constant here. Its degree is 0. The degree here is 1. So you can just stop. And now you write the quotient plus the remainder by the divisor. So the quotient is x square minus 2x plus 3. That is the quotient. The remainder is minus 4 by the divisor is x plus 5. Now integrate x cube by 3 minus 2. Integrate x, that if x is 1, n is 1, it will become 1 plus 1. So here n is 1. So it will become 2x square by 2. What about the constant? What is integration of the constant? 3. What you should do? You have to put a x. Whenever you integrate a constant, you have to put that x. So it will become kx. So k is 3 here. So 3, integration of 3 will be 3x. Integration of 4 will be 4x. So it will become 3x. Minus 4. What is integration of 1 by x plus 5? Log, put the modulus sign. Modulus of x plus 5 plus c. That's the answer. X cube by 3. You can cancel this minus 2 and plus 2. So x cube by 3 minus x square plus 3x minus 4 log x plus 5. 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now if you see this, the numerator is again a fraction. There is no quotient rule. So we have to simplify this. So we cannot divide here because, so look at the degree of the numerator, it is 1. Isn't it? 3x, the degree is 1. Here x square, the degree is 2. So it is already a proper fraction. So it's a proper fraction, and now you have to do partial fraction. You have to split this into, it's already a proper fraction. So we have to split this into two fractions. That is called splitting into partial fractions. So you have learned even this last year. 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. You have to split, you're going to split this into partial fractions. You cannot divide here. So a by x minus 2. The first one is a by x minus 2. This is called splitting into partial fractions. B by, so this method is partial fraction method. We're going to use it as partial fractions. So a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2. We have to find a and b. So cross multiply a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So cancel this x minus 2 and this. So we get now 3x plus 2 is a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Now we have to find a and b. So for that you put x minus 3 is 0. The first factor is x minus 3. Put x minus 3 is 0. You will get x is 3. So put x is 3 here. 3 into 3 9 plus 2 11. When you put x is 3, this will become 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So b is 11. The next factor is x minus 2. Put it as 0. You get x is 2. So put x is 2. So you will get now x is 2. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. X is 2. This will become 2 minus 3 minus a. And this will become 0. So you get a as minus 8 and b as 11. Put that here. So integrate, instead of integrating this 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 3, you are going to integrate the partial fractions. That is, a is minus 8 by x minus 2 dx plus b is 11 by x minus 3 dx. So this is nothing but minus 8. 1 by x minus 2 is log x minus 2 plus 11. 1 by x minus 3 is log x minus 3 plus c. So that's the answer.